Now we'll talk about range trading and trend following, what is the difference between them, and how you can recognize the current market state. You need to know that the market has two main stages, trending and ranging. A trending market is happening whenever prices keep going up or down over time. An uptrending market is characterized by higher highs and higher lows, while in a downtrend, each down movement falls into lower lows and lower highs. In a trading range, on the other hand, up and down movements tend to stop around the same highs and lows respectively. In each of these scenarios, the market behaves differently, and each one of them requires different analysis type and technical tools. So before you make any trading decisions, you need to determine what is the current market sentiment. This is really important because if, for example, you use trend following indicators while the market is trading within a range, they will give you false signals and lead you to bad results. And the opposite case is the same. It will not be very efficient to use ranging references while the market is strongly trending. But it's not always so easy as some so-called experts are telling you. Most of them show you how by looking at past movement you could clearly recognize the sentiment and anticipate future actions. Remember that analyzing the past is always easy, when in reality there's always uncertainty about what comes next. Brokers never let you trade in the middle of the chart where all price actions already took place. Instead, you need to trade on the right side of the chart where what comes next is the unknown future. When it comes to predict the upcoming movements, you will usually not get a direct or clear answer if you ask those experts. They rarely tell you in time that a trend is developing, and by the time they do recognize it, it is usually too late. So don't rely on anyone, and remember that this is not an exact science, and no one really knows the future. But the good news are that you do have some great tools you can use, and by combining them together, you can make good decisions that will eventually become great profits.